Are you facing issues with your Airflow SubDAG tasks failing unexpectedly? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many users encounter when dealing with long-running tasks in Airflow. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your tasks seem to be running fine, but the system reports them as failed. This is a common headache for many Airflow users, especially when dealing with long-running tasks. Let's take a closer look at a specific case. One user recently reported that their SubDAG in Airflow was failing after about an hour of running a long task. They upgraded from version 1.7.1.3 to 1.8.1, but the issue persisted. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? The user noticed that even though the task was still running, the scheduler marked it as failed. This discrepancy can be quite puzzling, but it often relates to how Airflow manages task states in the database. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot this issue and keep your Airflow tasks running smoothly. To address the issue of the SubDAG task failing after 1 hour, the user should first check the task timeout settings in Airflow. By default, tasks may have a timeout set, which could lead to unexpected failures. Next, the user should examine the Airflow configuration file, specifically the executor settings. The executor type can impact how tasks are managed and reported. After that, the user should verify the database state of the task instances. It's important to ensure that the task instance state is correctly updated during execution. Finally, the user can implement a heartbeat mechanism in the long-running task. This can help keep the task alive and prevent it from being marked as failed. Fun fact, did you know that Airflow was originally developed at Airbnb to manage their complex workflows? It's come a long way since then, but some issues still persist. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking the visibility timeout setting in Celery when using Redis. They recommend increasing this timeout beyond the expected duration of your long-running task. They also mention that even with tasks acknowledged late, Celery can still experience issues with tasks disappearing, which they consider a bug. Here's a pro tip. Regularly monitor your task states and adjust your configurations as needed. This proactive approach can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of long-running tasks being marked as failed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Airflow effectively.